Okay, ladies and gentlemen, these are Montezuma cypresses, not bald cypresses. They're popular because they don't put out the knees all over people's lawns. But look at this chain link. According to the property manager, the entire root ball was encased in chain link at the time of planting. Now there's also a steel cable girdling the tree there, see it? What is this medieval device here? Some sort of ratchet? Come along? This thing has got a whole lot of steel cable. See the steel cable there? So now there's tons of metal girdling these trees. It's going to be a nightmare for our root collar specialists. We're going to need to bring bolt cutters, wire cutters, possibly even an angle grinder. For the record, an angle grinder is generally not an accepted arboricultural tool, but there's 22 of these specimens and every single one of them has cyclone fencing and steel wire, steel cable. And we're not going to be able to extract it all. It's so heavily ingrown in some of these spots. Look at this. Now here I don't actually see the steel cable, so it's not super consistent across the board. Thanks for watching.